Hey guys, to use this Desmos graph to help you with the function transformations practice assignment, you want to hide everything that you don't need to see. Since we're going to be working on question 1, I'm going to hide all these other folders for questions 2 through 8. I'm going to click on this little triangle to show everything for question 1. Right now I have my transformation equation of F2 in terms of F1 with absolutely no transformations taking place. So I need to represent the transformation of F1 reflecting across the x-axis vertically and then shifting to the right horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 units. So my vertical reflection across the x is represented by negative f of x, and my horizontal translation to the right 10 is represented by minus 10. I can see visually that this matches my graph on the assignment, so I'm going to go ahead and type in my equation for f2 of x in terms of f1 of x, negative f1 of x minus 10. And that's it. Then you can just hide question 1 and move on to question 2.